Hi Vivienne or anybody else that's listening. So I'm just going to look at bars 17 onward, and this is the harp 1 part. So the key thing that we're trying to get here is the rhythm. So blue, jello, blue, 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 jello, blue, blue. We're dividing it between the hands. So thumb on C above middle C, second finger next door, third finger next door, and then thumb of the left hand goes on the next string, which is the G, and second finger next door on the F. And we get blue, jello, blue, blue, okay? And then we shift down for the next bar, so everything is one string lower. Blue, jello, blue, blue. And then the next bar we shift again. Blue, jello, blue, blue. And then here we've got the second finger of the right hand on G, and that's the whole semi-brief. Okay, so if I put it together, we get two, three, four. And then the next line is almost the same, but we're just going to watch out at the very end. Instead of it being like it was this time, we get just in the left hand. Okay, so it's play the thumb and then put it back on again, play the second finger, and then the E at the end. So this is from bar 21. Okay, so if we go from 17, we get this. One, two, three, four. Okay. Just watch out that you don't end up playing something that sounds a bit like a Bach minuet. So remember, this is 4-time, not 3-time. So just we've got to differentiate between where we've got quavers and where we've got crotchets. So remember, it's blue, jello, blue, blue. So don't rush those blues because you've just played a jello beforehand. Okay.